Hello friends, today we're making a quick and easy shrimp and grits. Peel and clean 1 pound of shrimp and add half a teaspoon of Creole or Cajun seasoning, half a teaspoon smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon black pepper, mix and set aside. In a medium pot, add 4 cups of chicken broth. You can also use water, milk, or half broth and half milk. Do what works for you and your family. Bring to a boil, then add 1 cup of grits. We use the quick 5-minute grits. Make sure to stir constantly while adding. Add 1/4 teaspoon salt and half teaspoon garlic powder. Once mixed, reduce heat to medium-low and cover. Cook for 5 to 7 minutes, stirring occasionally. Once the grits are cooked, mix in 1 cup shredded cheddar cheese. The grits are now done. Cover and set aside. Okay, for the shrimp, add 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Once hot, add your seasoned shrimp. Cook for 2 minutes on each side. Cook for an additional 30 seconds while mixing. Remove from pan and set aside. Add 1 tablespoon of olive oil, then add 1 small diced onion and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or until translucent. Add 1 teaspoon of crushed red pepper and stir. Cook for 30 seconds. Add 1 tablespoon minced garlic, stir and cook for another 30 seconds. Next, add 1 cup of white wine. If you don't drink alcohol, you can add broth instead. Reduce by half. This should only take about 3 to 5 minutes depending on how hot your pan is. Turn off heat and add 1 tablespoon freshly chopped parsley and stir. Add 4 tablespoons of butter and stir. Stir in your shrimp and turn heat on low. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes. Allow to cool and you're ready to serve. We hope you liked this video and try this recipe. Thank you for watching. Enjoy!